do this as a separate video. I know I just pulled this out of my China mail. I unboxed the other one, gave it a little review. This is from the same company. It's another 30 by 40 full drill. And isn't it interesting that even though it's the same company, the drills are different? So obviously the different companies have different suppliers, multiple suppliers. You've probably seen this. This is that cute, colorful cow. I just want to call her Daisy, with the flowers in her hair and the colors on her face. I've been wanting to do this one for a while. I just think it's so cute. And I've tried to stay away from some of the more typical diamond paintings. I like to do ones that I think are different and not everybody does. But this one was too cute. I just couldn't stay away. Again, 30 by 40 full drill round with 32 colors. That's a lot of colors. And I just noticed that this other one I got did not have a tool kit in it. This one does. It is green boat, pink wax, some bags, and a pink pen. I will put the image up so you can get a good look at her. She's adorable. No DMC numbers or quantities on here, so I'm just gonna zip through the numbers. Okay, that's it. Everything's here. All the drills look good. All the numbers are here. And, oh, there's BB hiding. She coming out from hiding. You okay, BB? She gets so scared of the storm. Have a great day. If you like my videos, please hit like, subscribe, and come join our Facebook group. We're having some fun in there. So, Facebook group is Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. Have a great day, and thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Bye-bye.